when it comes to scalping, I believe you have most people saying that that is a very dangerous strategy, and it involves so many emotions as one enters and exits trades without holding them for too long, right? But in today's video, I just want to show you how you can scalp while you are being calm, right? How you can scalp, stay calm, just as swing traders we do stay calm within a trade, right? So we're just going to identify market structures of the high time frame and react to that on the lower time frame. And what am I talking about? This is it. Now, these are the two type of market conditions that we're going to look out for. We're looking for a trending market first. This is it. For instance, this is a bullish market, right? Or we're going to look for a sideways market. This is it. We're going to look for a sideways market in that there is a supply zone and a demand zone, right? This is what I'm talking about, right? So we're going to look at market behavior once price touches our amazing levels that we just marked, something like this. We're going to look for price reaction around those levels, right? And we scalp along, right? So let's get started. First things first, let's just go to any type of market that most people like trading. For instance, let's just start with gold trade. Let me just start with gold right here. So what we need to do basically, for instance, we can start from maybe 4-hour time frame. We don't need to go to the daily, because right now I think you can all see that this is an uptrend. Price has been giving us high, low, high, blah 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 blah, something like that, right? So for instance, let's just try to concentrate on this level right here. Just a minute, let me just add something over here. Where are you? I believe with that right here, this vertical thing. So right, let's just go on. So let's just try to understand what price basically. Let me just remove everything right here. So let's just try to understand this market behavior, how we will have scalp, right? So from the higher time frame, you understand we saw price going up, then created a new low, right? So the first thing you need to do is look to the left side and identify a previous high or a previous low. So mark this level right here as our previous low, right? Because it was broken low. Yes, it was a high, price broke it, now it turned to a low. So marking that level, and you mark out this level too as your previous high or immediate high. So this is just a supply zone and this is a demand zone, right? So the next thing you need to identify is what price has been doing initially before price creating all these patterns, right? So you can see here we saw price was in an uptrend, correct? Now once you know that price has been in an uptrend, then you go to the higher time frame and lower time frame, try to understand how price will be approaching that level right there. So if we go to maybe 15 real quick, let's go and see what price was doing around that level. Correct, this is it. I want to show you just how you can scalp and stay calm, not just taking each and every time you see. I understand that scalping means, oh, you just get in real quick, look for 2 pips, 5 pips, get out, right? But I really want to show you how you can be calm, right? The best way to go for your scalp, usually I do recommend just following the direction of the market. I don't want a scenario. Yes, the market is dropping, of course you can look for scalp, right? But I just need you to stay calm. That is the real reason why I'm recording this video. So real quick, how is price approaching this level right here? Now basically we are at the 15 minute, but then I want you to go to the 1 minute. That is where we should be looking for our entry position. We have different types of approach. Let's just bring in this level right here. So we saw price did create this level too right there, then market went up. Now if you look at this type of an approach right here, that's a trend, correct? Now go to the 1 minute real quick. Let's just head over 1 minute. I need to show you something. We had so many opportunities. Remember, we are following trend, price creating highs, lows, high, right? So that is all we need. Make sure you add your trend while scalping. You're just not going to scalp blindly, right? Now remember, we've seen each and every time price hits this level, it bounces off. So let's just adjust this real quick right here. So third touch, that is where most people do like taking their entry, right? So for instance, we understand, okay, the market did this. Look at this is a bearish continuation. For instance, this is a bearish continuation. Yes, you see price has given us a reversal, a break below, of course. I see. Let's just mark this level right here. For the scalpers, I hope you can see the market breaking below right there. Have your stop loss, basically that's around 14 pips, and I'll target this right there. That is more than a scalp basically, because I believe scalpers don't target. This is like a swing trade, right? 1:1, 1:2, whichever. That's a good scalp. But anyway, let's just continue. If we understand how price is approaching a support or a resistance, you will understand that all this that the market has been printing is just continuation or a bullish continuation right there. Correct. Now look at this. I want you to be a patient scalper, which is crazy. I know most people always just want to go to the market, have your entries, get out. But I want you to be a patient scalper, right? Wait for a good opportunity, not just opening the market that, oh, the market is moving up, let me just try to catch 2 or 3 pips. I want you to be a patient scalper. Let's take it to the 5 minutes. Let me show something. Right, so once we did and understand that there was this level and price started forming this kind of a bullish flag, right? So what we need to do is wait for price to do what? Break out of that level right there. And now if you look at this, we had another bullish confirmation. Now this is just to tell you that, okay, price is about to go all the way up. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Now those are just confirmation that, okay, we should be looking for buys. Remember, we said I want you to scalp direction of the market, correct? Now stay with me. Remember, I need you to be a patient scalper. I need you to trade or scalp just like a swing trader. We wait, correct? So this time around we're scalping off the 1 minute. Crazy. Now let's talk about this approach right here. If you're trading breakouts, let's just bring in this right here and adjust this level right here. I don't want you to just come to the market and start scalping. No, I just want you to be a patient scalper. I repeat, a break above, you can have your stop if you want, whichever risk to reward ratio, 1:1, whichever. Then now wait, after taking your profit, wait again for a good market structure. This is another confirmation continuation right there. Do the same. Wait for price to create a new high as it did, comes back. After price taking out that new high, as usual, go in for your scalp. You know how you have your stop loss, whichever risk to reward ratio you go in for. If it's 1:1, okay. If it's 1:3, which is not a scalp, if you can target all this way, that's not a scalp anymore. Take your profit, get out, wait for the market to create a new pattern. And now what am I talking about? A continuation pattern, right? Take your entry, take your profit, wait for price to create new continuation once again. Okay, once price takes out that continuation, take your entry, target your risk to reward ratio, whether it's 1:1, 1:2. I don't know how many points you guys do target scalper. Get out, wait again. Like I said before, I just want you to be a patient scalper. The only thing you need to look for is just this. If we are in an uptrend, look for this. This is another continuation once again. Wait for the market to take out that continuation. look for your entry, whichever risk to reward ratio you need. Let the market go, wait for another confirmation, continuation, until price gets to its anticipated direction, and that is this level right here that we did mark as a previous high. So you just follow along. If you see price creating a high, continuation, like you say, wait for price to take out that continuation. I just want you to be a patient sniper, a scalper. You don't need to trade each and every time. I know scalpers do trade each and every opportunity that they see, but then to be a good scalper, I just need you to wait for a good opportunity, right? At the same time, you can let's just take it back to the 5. You can add your trends if you want. Let's just have this right here. If you want, you can have another trend, maybe 1 2 3 right there. So you see, we've seen so many entry position 1 2 1 2 3 4. Those are 4 entry position in today's that was Wednesday, yeah. Within a day, you've already taken how many positions? 1 2 3 4. Those are 4 positions, and good runs, right? Scalping within a day. I don't want you to scalp every minute. Scalp, take your profit, wait for the market. Just stay at the 1 minute basically. Wait for the market to give you another continuation. If that was an uptrend, go in, right? So let me try to see if I can get a sideways market, for instance. I don't know if there's any pair, but mostly people like trading. I think scalping is good for GBPs, GBP USD, Euro USD, let me see if I can get a sideways market. That will be great, basically, because we just talked about an uptrend market, right? So anyway, if that's the case, remember this move too. This is still an uptrend market, so you can scalp that move too. If we go to the 1 minute, basically, let me just show you. Remember I talked about if price is trending, just look for continuation. Once price takes out the continuation, scalp your way, right? Scalp your way, then take your profit, wait for another continuation. Take your profit, wait for another continuation until you say this is enough for today, right? Where are we? I believe this is 1 minute. Okay, let's just take it back to the 5 or 15. Okay, all right. Yep, this is it. Look for your continuation. I'm pretty much sure we had so many continuation right here. You see price giving you an impulse, continuation right here. Scalp your way. If that was the 1 minute, I believe you could have had your entry around this level. Scalp your way all the way, or whichever risk to reward ratio you prefer. Wait for another opportunity, continuation, go in. Just the same thing repeating. I hope you guys get it. But then I'm trying to see if I can get a sideways market. If I don't see, but then either way, let me just illustrate a sideways market for you guys to see. Now if price is moving sideways, it's just the same thing, right? We see price doing this, lower low, lower high, blah 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 blah. So all you need to do is wait for price, create a continuation, basically. Just, yes, the market is moving sideways off the higher time. Then when you go to the 1 minute, make sure price start printing continuation, something like this, go in, something like this, go in. Once price touches that level, wait for price to show you, oh, these are continuation, go in, continuation, go in, go in, continuation, blah blah blah. Just the same thing. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say, right? But then before you do this in a live market, I just want you to back test this strategy, guys, and go to the 1 minute. Make sure everything makes sense, basically, before putting in real money. But then I hope this helps you guys, and if you want to learn how to swing, then watch this video.